That is one thing that we need to do. Change nutrition, change your nutrition. And fifth thing is actually stop smoking. Stop smoking is very important. It actually affects your eye diseases at a very large scale. So these are more of preventive things. What and when you actually go to an ophthalmologist, what do you expect? So basically, your vision has to be checked. Okay, you have to your intraocular pressure has to be checked. Okay, so if it is not, you have to be aware enough to ask the ophthalmologist. Third thing is your dilated eye like examination has to be done. Okay, so they're going to put you some drops, and maybe 30 minutes later you're going to be checked. So these three things have to be done.
All right. Now, coming to this common question of in today's time, we are not able to avoid, technology or avoid screens,
Yeah.
right? So, what sort of special attention for, your eye health in the context of usage of screen
Hmm.
at that extent?
Yeah, yeah. Before that, I just want to tell you some red flags of diabetic eye care. So these are the things that if you get, you should consult your ophthalmologist as soon as possible. Okay. So first thing is if there is loss of vision. Okay. So intermittently keep on checking, close your one eye, close your other eye, and keep on checking the vision because uh, maybe right eye is seeing less, but the left eye compensates for it. That's how the body is. Okay, so you don't understand. So keep on checking it weekly, bi-weekly. Uh, Second thing is ki, some people might have flashes. Okay, there might be a lightning sensation, or there might be flashes, or there might be floaters. Floaters are small black dots in front of your eye. Okay, so or if you already have black dots and there's nothing to worry about, they might multiply. That's a red flag sign. Okay, so first is less vision, second is flashes or floaters. Okay, or any redness, sudden redness in the eye. Okay, sudden redness which is accompanied by headache can be an indication of raised intraocular pressure. Okay, so these are the things that you need to take care of. Yeah.
And
uh,
now, coming to the screens.
yes. Okay, so screens, it's a huge topic, and there's something known as computer vision syndrome, which has started. It's become a syndrome. It's a little bit sad, but it's become a syndrome now, and constant exposure to screens, okay, leads to a lot of fatigue. And basically क्या होता है, whenever you see someone sitting in front of screen, okay, you just look at them, they're staring. Okay, and if you actually count, they are blinking less than, like, say, 6 or 7 times per minute. Okay, and we are supposed to blink 25 times per minute. So whenever you are in front of any type of screen, there's so much of reduction in your blinking, which is a normal physiological process. Okay, and what happens due to blinking is there's a tear film in front of the eye. Okay, what is a tear film? So imagine a wiper of the car. Okay, the car being the cornea, the transparent part of the eye, and wiper being the tear film. So whenever you use water on your car and the wiper wipes it, that's what tear film does for your cornea. Okay, so it actually helps you see clearly. It actually helps you protect your eye. So whenever our lids, okay, so whenever, why do we feel better when we close our lids? Have you ever wondered? You feel better, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, because
Have
of
you?
the
Yeah,
because of
yeah.
the tear
So
film.
exactly. So
Keep
tear
the
film is,
cornea wet. The eyes.
yeah, yeah. So it has multiple functions and it has three layers. So that is what it does. So I want to know how many hours are you all in front of screen? I mean, are you aware about how many hours are you in front of screen?
Yes, I guess 11 to 12 hours from Monday through Friday. That's for myself.
Wow. I'm guessing it's also because of work.
Yeah, it's only
Yeah.
work. It's only work. It's only
It's
work.
only
And
yeah, yeah.
that
Yeah.
is besides the time I would spend on my phone on my personal time, say watching YouTube or whatever those OTT channels. So I guess that's a lot of time, I
Yeah,
guess, right?
Yeah. 10 to 12.
that is. So we don't really calculate it.
Sujit says not all work, huh? 14 to 15 hours.
Yes, obviously. Work-life balance, Anand, or lack of it.
Yeah, yeah. And of course, I mean, although there have been, various ways where now people are using, phone calls as a substitute. So wherever we don't need the screens, we are doing substitutes with, just audio calls or trying to do that. But
Yeah.
most of the sequences you cannot eliminate screens fully. So 14 to 15 hours or 12 hours, or in some cases for people like me, slightly lesser, but at least 7 hours, 8 hours of screen time.
No, so I think you cannot remove it because it's a part of our lifestyle now and it's a part of our work basically. But what you can do is few things you can do. So actually, let's do it. Okay. So whenever you are in front of screens, okay, first of all, be aware of your posture. Okay. Posture causes a lot of chaos in your body. Okay. It might cause headaches, it might cause strains over here, it might cause neck pains. So take care of posture, okay? And it is involuntary. We don't remember. So give yourself feedback regularly. Second thing is you need to do is just do this. Okay, create a little. Come on, guys, let's do it. So just produce a little bit of heat. This is called palming, okay? And just put it in. The palm has to be in front of your eyes. So this is something that you do to relax your eyes. Your eyes are made up of muscles and they are stronger than they should be. So strengthening is not required, but we do need the relaxation. Okay, relaxing the muscles. Okay, so it's like holding a 20 kg weight. Okay, imagine you're holding a 20 kg weight. Your muscles are going to be fatigued in a while, right? So that's what eye muscles are doing. Eye muscles are constantly focusing on the screen and you're not relaxing the eye muscles, right? So it's literally whenever you are in front of screen, follow 20-20-20 rule. Okay? Getting it? 20-20-20 rule. So 20 minutes
What
ke
is
baad,
that?
after every 20 minutes, yeah, I'm telling. So after every 20 minutes, okay, for 20 seconds, you have to look at 20 feet away. Okay. So if 20 minutes is not possible, ideally 35, 40 minutes is fine, but make sure you have a reminder where you actually see as far as you can, preferably green spaces. Okay. To relax your eyes. Yeah. Second, so first thing is palming. Okay. Second thing is 20-20-20 rule. Third thing is you actually have to blink. Okay. So open your eyes wide and blink. Blink, blink. Open your eyes. Blink. Close your eye. Open your eyes. Okay. Blink. Right. So this is the third thing that we are going to do. Okay. 20-20-20 has to be followed frequently. But whatever other exercises I'm saying, even if you do it twice a day, it's fine. Okay. Fourth thing is
This opening
actually
and
making a
closing,
Z. Okay.
opening and closing for how many times?
So at least like 20 to 25 times you have to do it. Okay, because we are doing it just
Okay.
twice a day. And I do
Twice.
something called, I do something called red light challenge. So whenever I'm stuck in a traffic, I do this because it's very boring and frustrating. So it relaxes me. You can try that. And second thing is, fourth thing is Z. Okay, so you have to make a Z. So look in your right, left, then down, and then again left. Don't move your head, okay? So you have to make a Z. You have to make a Z. So do it at least 15 times.
So one direction only, or
One-
second time it's
once
in
a
the
day.
reverse?
You can do that as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Then the fifth thing is look down, okay? Look up, look towards your right, and look towards your left, okay? Okay, so start 1, 2, 3. Look down, look up, towards your right, left, down, up, right, left. Okay? This is the fifth thing. And the last thing is just rotate your eyes. You've got to just rotate your eyes in all the directions, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Great. Great. So these are the 6 things that you have to do: palming, blinking, okay, then the Z, then the 20-20-20 rule, and rotations, and up, down, right, left. Okay.